Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all my cutie, mutie, lovely pupils. How are you today? Okay class, today we are going to learn about mixed operations involving money. Let's learn. Class, today you are going to learn about basic operations involving money. Therefore, you will be able to solve mixed operations, number sentences involving money within 1 million ringgit with and without brackets, including addition and multiplication, subtraction and multiplication, addition and division, and the last one is subtraction and division. Plus, before we go further about this topic, okay, I would like to remind you about BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS is an acronym of brackets, B bracket, O order, D divide, M multiply, A add, and the last one subtract, S subtract. Okay, B bracket ini bracket lah, dalam bentuk bracket. Jadi kalau kamu jumpa operasi yang bermula dengan brackets, okay, you need to solve it first. And then order ni kamu tak belajar lah waktu primary school. And then divide and multiply. Okay, kalau jumpa divide and multiply dulu kita buat sebelum kita selesaikan add and subtract. Okay, ini adalah tier ataupun pangkat, kalau kita kata pangkat lah, yang kalau kita jumpa dalam satu mathematic sentence, kamu kena selesaikan yang ada bracket dahulu, and then diikuti dengan divide and multiply, and the last one add and subtract. Class, we start with addition and subtraction. Okay, for example, 70,000 ringgit plus 50,000 ringgit minus 20,000 ringgit. Okay, jadi kita nak mulakan operasi mula daripada kiri, pada left side, kita mula dengan tambah. Okay, addition, and then after that barulah subtraction. Okay, equal with 70,000 ringgit plus 50,000 ringgit, kita akan dapat kita akan dapat 120,000 ringgit minus 20,000 ringgit, and then the answer is 100 ringgit, 100,000 ringgit. Okay, subtraction and addition. Okay, sekarang ni operasi bermula dengan subtraction, lepas tu baru addition. Jadi kita mula daripada sebelah kiri, left side. Okay, kita akan mulakan dengan 70,000 ringgit minus 50,000 ringgit. Okay, kita akan dapat 20,000 ringgit. Second, baru kita addition. Okay, baru plus 20,000 ringgit. Jadi kita akan dapat equal with 40,000 ringgit. Okay, jadi kalau addition and subtraction, kalau ada dalam satu mathematic sentence, kita akan mula daripada sebelah kiri, mana-mana yang duluan. Next, addition and subtraction with bracket. Okay, for example, 70,000 ringgit plus dalam bracket 50,000 ringgit minus 20,000 ringgit. Okay, jadi kita akan mulakan minus dahulu, subtraction, baru addition. Alright, jadi kita akan dapat 70,000 ringgit, 50,000 ringgit minus 20,000, kita akan dapat 30,000 ringgit. And then the answer is 40,000 ringgit. Alright. Next, subtraction and addition. Addition yang with bracket. Okay, kita lihat 70,000 ringgit minus dalam bracket 50,000 ringgit plus 20,000 ringgit. Kita kena selesaikan yang ini dahulu first. Okay, barulah addition dahulu, baru subtraction. And then kita akan dapat 70,000 ringgit plus 70,000 ringgit. And then kita akan dapat jawapan dia adalah 140,000 ringgit. Okay, next, addition and multiplication. For example, 70,000 ringgit plus 5 times 20,000 ringgit. Jadi yang mana satu kita nak buat? Multiply dulu ataupun addition dulu? Okay, plus dahulu. Ya, kita kena buat multiply by dahulu, multiplication bahagian multiplication dahulu, barulah bahagian addition. Jadi equal with 70,000 ringgit plus 5 multiplied by 20,000 ringgit, kita akan dapat 100,000 ringgit. And then the answer is 170,000 ringgit. Okay, kalau dengan addition with brackets, addition pula ada bracket di depan, times 2 di belakang, di bahagian belakang ni. Okay, jadi 70,000 ringgit plus 50,000 ringgit first, and then times 2 barulah second operation that we will execute. Alright, equal with 120,000 ringgit times 2. Jadi kita akan dapat jawapan 240,000 ringgit. Okay, tak sama walaupun soalan lebih kurang, okay, but we'll have a different answer based on operation included in mathematics sentence. Okay class, next, subtraction and multiplication. For example, 70,000 ringgit minus 5 times 10,000 ringgit. We need to solve the multiplication part before we solve the subtraction. Alright, equal with 70,000 ringgit minus 50,000 ringgit. Okay, selepas kita selesaikan bahagian multiplication, kita dapat 50,000 ringgit. Jadi equal with 20,000 ringgit. Alright, subtraction with brackets and multiplication. Okay, for example, 70,000 ringgit minus 50,000 ringgit times 2. Okay, kita kena selesaikan dahulu bahagian subtraction before multiplication. Alright, equal with 20,000 ringgit times 2. Okay, equal with 40,000 ringgit. Lebih kurang sama, agak-agak macam lebih kurang, tapi jawapannya memang sangat-sangat berbeza. It's so different. For example, 70,000 ringgit plus 50,000 ringgit divide by 2. Jadi untuk bahagian ini kita akan selesaikan bahagian division dahulu sebab ikut kaedah BODMAS. Equal with 70,000 ringgit plus 25,000 ringgit equal with 85,000 ringgit. Addition with brackets and division. For example, 70,000 ringgit plus 50,000 ringgit divide by 2. Okay, tadi kita selesaikan bahagian division dahulu. Now we need to solve the addition part. Alright, jadi kita akan dapat 120,000 ringgit divide by 2 equal with 60,000 ringgit. Okay, mixed operation involving money for subtraction and division. 70,000 ringgit plus 50,000 ringgit divide by 2. Okay, jadi divide by 2. Ini yang first kita akan selesaikan, and then subtract, barulah subtract. Okay, equal with 70,000 ringgit plus, okay, bila kita dah divide by 2, kita akan dapat 25,000 ringgit. Okay, equal with 85,000 ringgit. Subtraction with bracket and division. Okay, for example, 70,000 ringgit plus 50,000 ringgit, tapi dalam bracket pula sekarang ni. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, jadi kita kena plus dahulu, baru division. Okay, equal with 120,000 ringgit divide by 2, kita akan dapat 60,000 ringgit. This is the exercise for this topic. Please try to solve all these 8 questions, and don't forget to write the common form, okay, for each questions. Okay, that's all for today. I hope all of you understand what we learned, and that's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and tata titi tutu. Bye bye. Ciao.